Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody posted this on Facebook and asked how to do it. I've done it. I picked a different font. This is using the block shadow tool that I'm almost 100% sure started in 2018. So we're going to left click, right click so it has no fill. We're going to open up the contour docker, which is under effects and contour. We're going to contour the outside, just outside 0.01. We're actually going to use rounded corners. And it did that. Now we're going to go to object, break the contour apart, and we're going to nudge, not move. We're going to try to just grab the outside contour, and we're going to nudge it down. Now we're going to take the block shadow tool, which is underneath your shadow flyout, and we're going to move that thing just like straight down. Now we are going to select it all, go up to object and break the block shadow apart, and then grab that and left click and right click and outline. So now we have our block shadow. We're going to move it. And remember, I'm just grabbing the shadow. There we go. Now we need to break that block shadow apart. Go to object, break the curve apart. And we're going to get rid of all those interior parts. And just click on them and delete them. You can actually probably swipe right through the middle, because we just want the outer part. Then we're going to take our original text and we're going to leave it blank because we're going to fill it in. And then we're going to be better if I grouped it together. Control G, and then nudge it back up twice. And you see the effect. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a box around it. And I'm going to make that box this color. So I'm going to grab the Smart Fill tool. It's already set on that color because I've already used it. And then we're going to do that. And then I've got a little faux pas right there. Let's back up here. I've got one line that I did not delete. Let's go up to object, group, and ungroup. There we go. Now take the Smart Fill tool, set on that red, and we're going to fill in the box and then fill in each individual letter, because that's the way it's kind of looking. Some of them are connected, some of them are not. I'm just doing it like the drawing. Now we need this color for the other part, so we've still got the Smart Fill tool. We're going to change the eyedropper to that color, and then we're going to fill that in. And you have to go back and fill the interior parts, because the Smart Fill cannot get to the interior parts. And there you have it. Looks pretty much like the original. Now, they're not necessarily going to use those colors. And then you could also even make it look a little more real. You could select it all and right click, no outline. It'll look just like the original. Of course, I used a different font because it's, this is more even than this is, because that A is coming down. But anyway, that's how to do it. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.